We just added a box of Jell-O banana cream pudding right into 32 ounces of some vanilla Greek yogurt. Holy cow, we are in for a super tasty summer treat today, you guys. Really easy, few ingredients, let's go. Okay, so we added the Jell-O instant pudding in with that Greek yogurt. This is going to really deluxe this yogurt right here, no doubt. And do you know that this has like 14 grams of protein per serving? And when we're gonna add this into this Greek yogurt, the texture is gonna be phenomenal and the flavor is gonna be even better. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take your time here and mix together all of that little pudding mix in with this Greek yogurt. Oh yeah. This is looking so good, and you can tell how that yogurt is really thickening up because of that pudding. Oh yeah, okay, let's get all of that off of there. Perfect, this is so, oh my gosh, you know I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for all those haters out there that don't like me licking my finger. You know what? Try what you make. It's important that it's delicious, all right? Okay, so enough of that. I'm gonna take my handy dandy ice cream scooper here and watch what we're gonna do. We are gonna take a scoop of this and we're gonna place it right here onto our baking sheet. And how easy, right? So now we have this pudding mixed in with the yogurt, which by the way, I'm feeling some banana today. I think it reminds me of summertime, but here's the deal, you guys. You can totally switch that up. So if you're gonna switch it up, let me know in the comments, what kind of flavor combo are you going for here today? Because I don't know, I definitely wanna hear your ideas. I think that there's probably a lot of great ideas out there. So once you scoop those all out, just like so, we're gonna slide this right back over and watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some popsicle sticks here and I'm gonna place it right there in the center. Now, because this is really thick, it's allowing it to just stick right in there, and that's exactly what we want to do. Easy peasy. Maybe you're going to change this up, I don't know, but I love making them this way. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pop them in the freezer. I'd say about an hour is definitely a safe amount of time for them to get nice and cold and stick around. We have more to come and it is going to be so tasty. You're going to love it. We are ready for action. Look at those. See how perfect they stayed? I absolutely love this idea. So we're gonna slide those over and check this out. I have 2 cups of melted Ghirardelli chocolate. You don't have to choose that kind. It is my favorite, so that's what I like to use. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. Now it's nice and frozen, right? I'm gonna dip it right inside. Look at that. See how easy that is? So you might not need all of this chocolate, but I love having enough chocolate so you can fully dunk the entire ice cream pop right here, just like so. Now I'm gonna let that drip off so I don't have as much excess chocolate. That looks perfect. For a little note to self, you guys, if you wanna add anything on the bottom of this, which I did think, I thought about maybe adding some nuts, I don't know, maybe even some crumbled vanilla wafers or M&Ms or I don't know, sprinkles. I'm sure you have some fabulous ideas out there that you would like to share with us in the comments. And just so you know that if you do want to add anything extra, this right now would be the stage. As soon as you dip it in the chocolate, definitely add the other stuff on the bottom because they are really cold and the chocolate is going to start to get hard really quickly. So after you have that dipped, you'll just go ahead and dip that into any other goodness that you want to add. And of course, tell us about it in the comments. And I'm going to be moving right along here, just dipping these suckers here in this chocolate. Oh, now I chose dark, but you pick whatever you like. Look at how good these look. Oh my gosh. And how easy is that? We have the banana pudding in with that Greek yogurt and that chocolate. Oh yeah, now you know that I'm gonna come in here and give this a try. Because that was frozen, the chocolate just hardened so quickly, and I'm gonna just go for it, because why not, right? I like to live life on the edge. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. It tastes just like banana ice cream covered in chocolate. That's exactly what I was going for. Super stoked about these, you guys. We were working with 3 ingredients today. Now, of course, if you want to dip them into anything, I do think they would be fabulous with some peanuts or maybe even some vanilla wafers. I don't know, but if you just want to keep it plain Jane style like me, they are fabulous as well. Let me know what you think about these in the comments, you guys. Also, the recipe will be linked down there below. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.